At Autocraft Motor Caravans, we are very pleased to be running another one of our highly anticipated offers. And this time, we're putting the power in your hands and giving you a golden ticket worth £1,200. That's right, we're giving you £1,200 to spend on add-ons from our specially selected, hand-picked, deal-breaking, holiday-making list of extras. We've got Bluetooth speakers, we've got barbecue outlets, we've got tables, we've got chairs, we've got dining sets, we've got air fryers and TV setups, just to name a few. All of our conversions are built with the user in mind. So let me show you some of the key features of our vans which make them the perfect travel companion. It's important to us that not only do you love the van, but you love using it. That's why, as standard, with every van that we sell, we give a one-to-one demonstration, so you can leave here with confidence, not questions. This limited time autumn offer is live now, but it won't last forever, so be quick and get yourself over to our website where we've put together an easy, convenient brochure especially for this deal.